Reaction Bros. I'm Chris.
I'm Christopher.
And on today's It's a Weird Team look at the newest death battle of Black Canary versus Sindel.
DC Comics versus
Mortal Kombat.
Yes.
So, basically, two screaming ladies.
Yes, we definitely need some...
One is iconic DC superheroine who's had a few different iterations.
Oh, yeah.
One is a undead former queen of a certain world in the world of Mortal Kombat. So
it's kind of hard to see who would win in this battle.
And she uses her hair and she screams a lot. So
yeah, that's only one extra advantage that Sindel has.
Well, there's probably more, but
I know compared to Black Canary though, it's like sitting here going, shit, who would win?
Yeah, for Black Canary, I know for a fact that while her meta ability is like her Canary Cry, she is an expert martial. She has been trained. She is an expert martial artist. I forgot the guy's name that trained her because they brought him in for an episode of Justice League Unlimited.
Yeah, I remember that.
Oh, Black Cat.
Yeah.
And trained her pretty much, and she's an expert in that. I know that much. As for Sindel, I know she was the queen and the mother of Kitana.
Yes.
Until Shao Kahn showed up, fucked things up. And then she became basically one of Quan Chi's first ever remnants. As far as I know, I'm not entirely deep in the Mortal Kombat lore.
They'll probably dive into that here.
Yeah.
Overall, but who would win the battle? I really don't know, to be honest. I mean, for me, if I had to choose, I would, the people who know me on this channel, I'm a DC fanboy myself, so I'll probably have to go with Black Canary. But things could change, once we find out more information about each character.
Yeah.
So let's dive right into this for Black Canary versus Sindel. DC Comics versus Mortal Kombat. Death battle. So here we go.
RTX is inspiring.
Inexperienced, spectacular.
Amazing.
I love seeing everyone who's so passionate about Rooster Teeth and the community that I grew up with, and to see them all in one place.
It's a trope we're all familiar with. The damsel in distress crying for help. Yeah, Wiz, don't think that's the case here, because these two are the
Everyone
never hear their cry. You're dead. Black Canary, the blonde bare-knuckle brawler of DC Comics. And Sindel, the literal scream queen from Mortal Kombat. He's Wiz and I'm Boomstick. And it's our job to analyze their weapons, armor, and skills to find out who would win a death battle. Behold, the Justice Society of America, the first recorded team of superheroes in the DC universe. Where else could you find a boxer in a catsuit chilling with the spirit of God's divine wrath? And among these men and gods stood a woman, the judo-chopping Black Canary. Wait, why a canary? Canaries don't know judo? Or do they? This is not the Black Canary we'll be focusing on today. See, the Black Canary of the Golden Age may have been a skilled crime fighter in her own right, but the one who made the moniker a household name was her daughter, Dinah Laurel Lance. Dinah wanted to be a crime fighter just like her mom, so she trained with Wildcat, the furry boxer I mentioned earlier.
Oh, Wildcat.
Her mother wasn't very happy about that, though. Young Dinah's career could have ended then and there, if not for the discovery of what she likes to call her Canary Cry. Cases such as these weren't ordinary, but well explained. See, Dinah possessed the meta gene, a dormant slice of genetic code present in about 12% of humanity granting superhuman abilities. Yeah, Wizard did it. With her new
Recon origin.
her mother's mantle and became Black Canary, the second one. Is it weird that her mom was also named Dinah? They're really forming a dynasty. Fun fact, originally she disguised herself by donning a blonde wig, but eventually just dyed it permanently. Blonde? Don't you mean yellow? Regardless, the Canary Cry is no joke. By emitting focused ultrasonic sound, Dinah can annihilate the eardrums of anyone nearby. Or just ramp up the volume and blow people away with shockwaves. She can even stop a runaway train. It's quite versatile, too. She can focus her cries into small sonic projectiles or broaden them to affect entire cities. And by screaming hard enough at the ground, she can freaking fly. How the hell does that shit work?
You're free flight?
For a sound wave to become a shock wave, it must possess an intensity of at least 194 decibels. For reference, Black Canary's highest recorded scream clocks in at over 300 decibels.
That's the same level of bulls as a volcano erupting.
All that power comes with a fairly obvious weakness, though. If her throat is damaged, she'll be unable to produce the cry.
That's why she's got some nifty ultrasonic canary bombs that do the super shouting for her.
Right,
Not to say she's useless without her superpower, of course.
She's one of comics' greatest ass kickers.
Thanks to Wildcat and her mother, Dinah has trained in jiu-jitsu, karate, Krav Maga, capoeira, and many
feel like I said
martial arts. She knows holds that can put you to sleep, a punch that can detonate your heart, and even how to cause instant death by pushing a single nerve cluster.
She's basically the furious, blood-soaked love child of Kenshiro and the Bride from Kill Bill. Also,
I hate that
before we
ending.
go on,
Kill
all this
Bill.
cooking
I know,
talk makes me
everybody
want to
does.
see a judo canary in action. And what better opponent than our very own Mecha Goose Howard?
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Did you teach it judo?
Oh!
So, turns out they don't know judo. Where was the heads up on that one, Wiz?
Even with all that, Dinah's greatest strength is perhaps her uncanny ability to learn and adapt mid-fight. It's what makes her such a great sparring partner to superhuman martial arts masters like Wonder Woman. It was during a fight with her, in fact, that Black Canary claimed she could perceive time down to the nanosecond.
Sounds crazy, right? But believe it, how else could she keep up with someone like Wonder Woman? Or how about the time she battled these red tornado androids? Green Lantern was using his power ring to scan for weaknesses, but Dinah said, F that, and stabbed it hundreds of times super fast. She found its literal Achilles heel before the power ring finished.
Wow.
That's right, she outsped an alien supercomputer. Keep in mind, Dinah does not technically possess superhuman speed or strength.
But I wouldn't be surprised if she secretly drank some super soldier serum at some point, because she can outmuzzle
She's
superhumans
comic book
with
human,
steel like it's
is what they're
Pepsi.
saying with
Given
that.
the field strength of steel and the size of her elbow, Dinah must have exerted a force of around 27 tons.
The gal
God
survived
damn.
a fall into the ocean from 1,000 feet, and even her own canary cry reflected back at her.
It helps that she has a special membrane in her ears that protects her from shockwaves.
Can't say the same for this robot dude, Amazo. For a murder-happy android with the combined powers of the entire Justice League, he sure could have packed some aspirin.
Jesus Christ, his head was completely taken off on there.
Fine-tuned, Dinah proved her mom wasn't the only Black Canary to be reckoned with. She even teamed up with groups such as the infamous Birds of Prey, and at one point took charge of the Justice League, the spiritual successor to the original Justice Society.
Next to her main man, Green Arrow. They spent a lot of time sticking arrows in that quiver. You know what I mean.
They're
They did sex.
They
Long
did
story short,
sex.
Black Canary is without doubt one of the most badass women in comic book history. The realm of Edenia was a paradise, a Garden of Eden, if you will.
You said that like it was supposed to be clever.
Under the rule of King Jared and Queen Sindel, the realm prospered for millennia, until the arrival of Outworld Conqueror Shao Kahn and the tournament of Mortal Kombat.
Mortal Kombat!
By decree of the Elder Gods, an invading force from another realm must defeat
Sorry.
the defending world 10 consecutive times in a tournament to the death.
Unfortunately for Edenia, Khan dabbed on their asses and won Edenia for himself.
To legitimize his rule, Khan murdered Jared, married Sindel, and adopted her daughter Katana as his own. Excessive? Probably.
Needless to say, Cindy wasn't too happy about all that. But it turns out she was a kung fu sorcerer. So, to avenge her kingdom, she underwent a mystic ritual where she offed herself to protect Khan's next target, Earthrealm. And it worked.
For a time. After 10,000 years of hopelessly failing to take the Earth, Khan learned how to undo her protective war. Sindel was resurrected, brainwashed, and transformed into a fierce queen of dark magic and terror.
She was back and ready to slay. And holy shit, did she!
Sindel's Edenian physiology gives her superhuman strength, speed, and durability, allowing her to make mincemeat of Mortal Kombat's regular combatants.
You better have said that with a K.
And despite being dead
That's
for
where
the
we
past
sprung
10,000
tracer
years,
baseball
she's
power in
somehow a
Thailand.
master of two forms of Chinese Kung Fu. Jiaquan originates from northern China and is known for its eloquent, graceful, extended movements. Fu Xiaopai, also known as the Tiger Claw system, focuses on fast, powerful strikes.
Sindel also wields a Quan Do. It's a glaive designed for long-range deflection and carving people up like a Thanksgiving turkey.
Though she hardly needs a weapon when she already has one. Her hair. She can command it to stretch like a tentacle, constrict opponents, and act essentially as an extra prehensile limb.
Not gonna lie, Wiz, that's, kinda hot.
No?
Of course it
You
is.
still think
Of course
so?
it is to
You
him.
spin you like a top fast enough to obliterate your body?
What a way to go.
Well,
Well, all that pales in comparison to her signature ability, the Banshee Scream. This ultrasonic shout is powerful enough to detonate heads, split limbs, and rend flesh. Her screaming power can even be focused into mystical fireballs of destruction called Star Screamers.
Oh, like that Transformer that we had that pony eat his soul.
No. Sindel once struck enough force to annihilate a large part of a canyon. This resembles the effects of a magnitude 5.0 earthquake.
we're really bringing fucking Mortal Kombat Annihilation into this? Oh my god, that film was bad.
It's no wonder she was able to strut through Earthrealm's mightiest heroes, which include our old pal, Sub-Zero. What, I kept it as a souvenir.
Shatter a block of pure diamond with his bare hand. A feat like this would require a pressure of at least 60 gigapascals. That's over 4,300 tons of force per square inch.
And Cabal,
Who was fast enough to swat machine gun fire out of the air, like the flies in Boomstick's bathroom.
accurate.
Accurate.
Likely muzzle velocity and rate of fire. Cabal must have been reacting within 600ths of a second in order to consistently parry these bullets.
And he blocked a bunch of them back to back to back. Too bad Sindel wound up getting blown up and brainwashed all over again. Man, this chick can't catch a break. Though the zombie milf thing's kind of working for her.
Well, that's only one possible timeline. In the original story, she was actually freed from Shao Kahn and regained control of Edenia. In another, it seems the killing of her royal husband was actually her plan all along.
Either way, we're
Yeah, that's what thing some Mortal Kombat fans are up in arms about.
Yeah.
Everyone else.
Yeah, is that like they changed it to where instead of her being traumatized by the loss of her husband King, she wanted it to happen.
Alright,
Yeah,
welcome back
so
to
that's
set.
the biggest.
We've run the data
That
for
I
all
was
possible
wondering why people were up in
outcomes.
arms about it, and now I see why.
So at this point, who do you think?
This episode of Death Battle is sponsored by Hims.
Hey guys.
I don't know, man. I'm surprised how much Black Canary is. A lot of Black Canary is capable of, you know. And Sindel's about what I expected, to be honest. And she had they said she's known to have superhuman strength and stuff, so. I'll have to wait and see. I think I'm gonna go with Sindel, but we'll just see where it
I'm
goes.
still going. I think I'm still going Black Canary. I think it's the type of thing where I think it could be Sindel, but I'm going with a hopefully a safe bet for me, which is
Yes, Hims knows some
Black Canary.
are easier
Okay.
to have online than off. So with them, you can connect to a real doctor online.
And should you be prescribed, it's shipped right to your front door.
Dive into 2020 hair first. Right now, get started with your first month free.
Go to forhims.com/deathbattle.
Prescription requires an online consultation with a physician who will determine if a prescription is appropriate. Offer valid only if prescribed. 3-month minimum subscription. Additional restrictions apply. See website for full details and important safety information.
Remember, that's forhims.com/deathbattle. But right now, it's time for a death battle!
Here we go. Ugh.
Talk about Scooby-Doo meets Fight Club.
What the fuck is up with her hair?
Behold your queen. I shall strip the flesh from your bones.
Hey, finally somebody says fight in one of these. Took fucking forever. Oh damn. Oh. Oh. Oh.
damn.
Oh.
Are you hurt, child? Let me sing you a lullaby. No kidding. I almost fell asleep.
Oh. Oh damn.
So are ring outs a thing here?
Yeah.
No.
Fight to the death!
shit. Oh.
Such a pretty bird with such an ugly song.
Got the hair.
Can you fly?
Can you fly?
Her little gadgets, remember?
Yeah, that's right. The canary bomb. Oh shit! I love that. Oh! Oh shit! I think she's dead.
Fatality.
Fatality! Yeah! Okay,
Got that
cool.
one.
Like Sindel's hat is blasting up again! Or, well, for the first time, technically. So, I tried to work it in, guys.
This battle was a curious one. For the most part, Sindel's physical strength, projectiles, and aerial maneuverability let her keep up with the bird of prey.
Yeah, she was 160 times stronger, but Canary's made a living off fighting superhumans who are even stronger than that, like Mammoth and Giganta. So I guess that
That's
wasn't
true.
that big of an
Yeah.
advantage, really.
Comparing Cabal's bullet timing to her nanosecond reaction, Dinah's reaction speed was easily 60 million times faster. And with her wide array of martial arts abilities, she certainly capitalized on this.
Sure, Sindel
One of
has
these
some
days I'll
awesome
be on a
moves,
roll when
but
it comes to these
sadly,
predictions.
stepping on people like a hot
That's not
dominatrix
so
doesn't quite stack up when Black Canary mastered
Just
way
such a
more
good
fighting
description.
styles. Plus,
Ah,
she's been
okay.
training all her life. Adenia was super peaceful before Shao
Yeah,
Kahn
she's.
came along.
What they're
So
saying
I
is
doubt
she was
Sindel
super
would've taken
powerful,
names and
but
taken
like
us all before
she
that.
wasn't
Well,
expert in
let's
martial
move on to
arts
the
like Black
comparison
Canary
everyone
was.
wants to know.
Yeah, she wasn't
Which was
skilled
deadlier,
fighter.
Banshee Scream or the Canary Cry? We know Dinah's cry could reach 300 decibels. In comparison, the results of Sindel's most powerful scream are similar to a 5.0 earthquake, which is equivalent to only 235 decibels.
Ah.
That's a
Canary
difference
has
of
a more
only
powerful
65
cry.
decibels. That can't be all that different. Wrong! It's totally different because decibels are freaking weird.
See, decibels are not like meters or minutes, which scale geometrically. Instead, decibels scale logarithmically. For every 10 decibels a sound is, its intensity increases tenfold. So 30 decibels is 10 times greater than 20 decibels. 40 is 10 times greater than 30, and so on.
Jesus
So
Christ.
every increase multiplies the sound instead of just adding to it.
Oh, okay. That's it. I didn't hear about
Canary
decibels.
cry would be
About 1 million times stronger than the Banshee Scream, nearly 500 megatons of TNT.
Wow, that's a fucking difference.
The closest real-life comparison we can make is the Krakatoa eruption of 1883. A volcano blast so powerful it could be heard over 3,000 miles away. Not so different from what Dinah has been shown to be capable of.
It also didn't hurt that Canary had those special membranes in her ears to guard against Sindel's scream.
In
Really?
the end, Canary had the speed, skill, and raw decibels to finish her.
It was Sindel's time to die.
What, no pun about screams?
Well, I was gonna
I tried to come up with
that obvious
trying to come up with for it.
loud.
The
Oh, well.
winner is Black Canary.
Hey, thanks for watching this episode of Death Battle. For the battle music for yourself, click the link in the description below and check out this other stuff.
We'll see you next time.
Okay. Turtles.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles are back.
Power Rangers. Oh, here we go.
Oh no,
Leonardo versus Jason.
Oh, the leaders.
The
taking
leaders taking on each other.
I want to see where to go with that one.
Yeah, same here. At first, I do have to apologize. I kept nodding out every now and then throughout this. I do.
How
apologize.
dare you? How
I know,
dare
I
you?
know,
You
I'm
have
ashamed.
you have a family that is the reason you're tired a lot. How dare you do that to our subscribers and viewers? How dare you? How
I'm just
dare
apologizing. I'm just apologizing just to let you know. But overall, the battle was pretty good.
you? Yeah, it was pretty good. I guess in the end it was more of like the skills that Black Canary brought in the long run on top of everything else she already knows and does. Plus her Canary Cry is really deadly. So like, yeah. So congrats though to Black Canary though. Great stuff. Really enjoyed the death battle. I just love the part where they're just trying to come up with like puns. This is like they can't come up with it. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, she wins. Whatever.
Yeah, whatever. So she wins. There we go. But overall, another good, successful type of death battle overall.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So other than that, if you're new to the channel, you can hit the like button. If you want to talk to us more about stuff like this, comment down below. If you want to share us around, share it around. And if you like us just a little bit more than anybody else when it comes to talking about snoozy-filled death battles, hit the subscribe button down below and hit that bell icon as well.
Let us know what you guys' thoughts are on this death battle. Did your favorite win? Did you want Sindel to win? I mean, if you want to complain, you can complain down below. Let us know why. You know, everybody has that argument of why the one person should have won over the other. But anyways, let us know what you guys' thoughts are. What's your favorite moment in this death battle, whether it's during the battle or even during when they're talking, trying to explain, you know, any funny moments. But let us know in the comments down below. Put down what you thought of our reaction overall. But most importantly, thank you for watching.
So until next time, I'm Kristen.
I'm Christopher.
And this has been a very screen-filled episode of SRB.
See ya.
Later.
Hey guys, thanks for watching.
If you want to check out our previous reactions,
As well as our other shows.
click the playlist down below.
And if you want to check us out in the social universe,
You can check us out on Twitter
as well as Stardust.
@SuperReactBros.